Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to implement a news application in a React JS. So this is the news application, and we are showing the uh, top business news headline from US. So to show this news, we are using one news API. So I am using this API to get the news. Okay, not this one. Sorry. Using this API of business headline in the US right now. To use this API, you need API key. In order to get the API key, you have to basically register on this website. So simply you have to register on this website and you will get the API key. Okay, so I'm using this API, this one, to show this all news. Okay, so let's see how we can implement in React.js. To implement the news app, you need npm package. First one is npm install and design. We are going to use a card, so we need a component, that card component from and design. After that, you need to install Axios to make a API call. After installing these two API, then come to index.js file and you need to import the ant designs CSS file. After doing all this, and once you register on this website who get the API key, you will get something like this kind of API key. So you need to just paste it here in the API key. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, so let's start working on this app. So I have import React and use state and use effect. So this is simple React application which created using npx create React app and your app name, whatever you want to give. After doing this, you need to import the card component. So card, and we need button as well. So button, and we need Axios to make a API call. And we got everything we needed, and later we need this meta tag. Now we need to set one state. News, set news. Use state, and it will be empty array. Now we need use effect to make an API call. Const load news. We will be using async await to make the API call. So const response and await Axios dot get, and we will copy that API. Simply I will copy this one and paste it here, and in place of API key I will give this key. Okay, we got that one, and we will set news response dot response. Let's see first the response, what response we are getting. Let's see whether we are getting any. Give some here post. Okay, let's see whether we are getting anything. Fail to compile. The response is not defined. Okay, so we need to call this load news, then only it will work. Now let's see. Okay, response is not defined. Both are the same. Why it's saying response is not defined? Okay, sorry, by mistake it will be news, not response. So let's see now. Ungot promise request failed. Okay, let's see. So here will, I think it will be the data. Let's see. Unauthorized, saying unauthorized. Okay, some part actually I missed. So it will be FF. I think I'm missing. Okay, sorry, my bad. Let's see now. We are getting. Okay, we are getting something. Okay, so we are getting our article. So 20 articles we are getting. Now we need to display this article in some type of hard format. Okay, so come to here. So we need articles. So we need to set data dot articles. Okay, now we remove this one and news. We can return a card item. So style I am giving width 70%. Now cover. Now when come to cover, so in this we will have each array of object. We need to utilize this content, um, title, URL, and URL to image. This four thing we need to utilize. We can utilize author as well also. So let's do it. So cover. So inside cover there will be image tag health. If any image is broken, then we can provide alternate some text, and source will be image dot url. So this one we need to give url to image, this one. So let's copy this one and paste it here. Okay, now we need to give some data in meta. So title, it accepts the title as a props, item dot title. It also accepts description, and description it will be go content. Okay, now give some keys so it won't throw warning message. Now after that we need to add read more button. So type will be a primary, read more, and this will navigate to their website. Basically some it will open basically a new tab. So I will show you that one also. href. So this time we will be using item.url, and in order to open into new tab you need to provide some attribute, target blank, well, no opener, no ref. I think this is the way to open the link tag in a new tab. And some style property we need to give on button. Margin top 10 pixel. Okay, let's see how it look like. Okay, img is not defined. So this one is saying it will be item.I. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so we are able to display only news. So some of the image is broken in the API, so it will show the if whatever you have written here. So news will be changing every time, I guess. After few minutes you will see a different image. At the time of recording we are seeing all these messages. Maybe once you implement this app, then you will see different messages, and if you click on read more, then it will take you to their link, basically original link. Okay, so that's a guide from this video, and I will push this code into a repo, and I will provide the link in the description. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.